Hello everyone, welcome. In this video, let us solve this math problem. So we have if a plus b equals 100 and a times b equals 200, what is then the value of a and b? Okay, to solve this, solution, let us have it that a plus b equals 100 as equation 1 and a times b equals 100 as equation 2. Okay, so from equation 1, we have it that a plus b is equal to 100, right? So let us make b to stand alone. So b is equal to 100 minus a. So with this, we call this equation 3. Okay, now from equation 2, we have it that AB is equal to 100, right? So we have it as A. Now input the value of B as 100 minus A into this. In brackets, 100 minus A is equal to 100, right? So A times 100 is 100A. A times minus A is minus A square is equal to 100. So with this, if you rearrange this, you have it as minus a square, okay, then plus 100a. 100 will cross over, minus 100 is then equal to 0. Now at this junction, let us eliminate this minus from this side by multiplying through by minus 1. Okay, so you have it as minus 1 in bracket minus a square plus 100a minus 100 is equal to minus 1 times 0. Okay, so minus 1 times minus a square is plus a square. Minus 1 times plus 100a is minus 100a. Minus 1 times minus 100 is plus 100 is then equal to minus 1 times 0 is 0. So with this, right, we have a quadratic equation which can solve using the quadratic formula. So let's first identify the value of a, b, and c. So the value of a here is 1. So a here is equal to 1. The value of b is minus 100. B equals to minus 100. The value of c is plus 100. So c is equal to 100. Then to use formula that a is equal to minus b plus or minus square root b square minus 4ac, okay, over 2a. Okay, so a is then equal to minus into bracket. The value of b is minus 100. So minus 100 plus or minus square root of b is minus 100. So in bracket minus 100 all square minus 4 times the value of a is 1 times the value of c is 100 times 100. Okay, so with this you have over 2 times the value of a is 1, 2 times 1. So a is then equal to minus times minus 100 is plus 100. So 100 plus or minus square root minus 100 square is 10,000. So 10,000. Then minus 4 times 1, 4 times 100 is minus 400 over 2 times 1 is 2. So you have it as a is equal to 100 plus or minus square root 10,000 minus 400 is 9,600 over 2. Okay, good. At this junction, let us clean up this place. So a is then equal to 100 plus or minus square root of, now 9,600 can be written as 100 times 4 times 4 times 6, which equals 9,600, okay, over 2. So with this, a is equal to 100 over 2 plus or minus, now square root of 100 is 10 times square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 4 is also 2, okay, times square root of 6, all over 2. So 2 we divide 2, you have a is equal to 100 over 2 is equal to 50. Then plus or minus, you have 10 times 2, 20. 20 root 6. Okay, so with this, right, we can then say that a1 is equal to 50 plus 20 root 6, or a2 is equal to 50 minus 20 root 6. With this, we've gotten the value of a. Let's then solve for the value of b. Okay, so let's clean up space. Now, the value of a1 is equal to 50 plus 20 root 6, and the value of a2 is 50 minus 20 root 6. Okay, let's then solve for the value of b. Now, to solve for the value of b, don't forget that a plus b is equal to 100. So a plus b is equal to 100. To then solve for b here, b is equal to 100 minus a. Okay, so if we input the value of a into this equation, we can get the value of b. So b1 is then equal to 100 minus a1. Now b1 is equal to 100 minus a1 is 50 plus 20 root 6, in bracket 50 plus 20 root 6. Okay, so with this, b1 is equal to 100 minus times 50 is minus 50, minus times plus 20 root 6 is minus 20 root 6. Okay, so b1 is equal to 100 minus 50 is 50, then minus 20 root 6. Okay, with this, we've calculated the value of b1. Let's then say for the value of b2. So from the equation, b2 is then equal to 100 minus a2. Okay, so b2 is equal to 100 minus the value of a2 is 50 minus 20 root 6. So 50 minus 20 root 6. Okay, so b2 is then equal to 100 minus, now minus times 50 is minus 50, then minus times minus 20 root 6 is plus 20 root 6. So we have it that b2 is equal to 100 minus 50 is 50 plus 20 root 6. Now we've gotten the value of a. With this, coming. With this, we've gotten the value of a and b. Okay, so so with this, we've gotten the value of a and b. Okay, so putting them together, let's clean up this place. So therefore, the value of a1 and b1 is equal to, in bracket, a1 is 50 plus 20 root 6, 50 plus 20 root 6, and b1 is 50 minus 20 root 6. Also, the value of a2 and b2 is equal to, a2 is 50 minus 20 root 6, so in bracket 50 minus 20 root 6, while b2 is 50 plus 20 root 6. Okay, now you can see that they are both interchange. Okay, the value of a1 is the value of b2. The value of a2 is the value of b2. Let's then check if a plus b equals to 100 and a times b equals to 100 for these values. Okay, so if we clean up this side, now for the first equation, which is a plus b is equal to 100. Okay, let's input the value of a as 50 plus 20 root 6. So you have it as 50 plus 20 root 6, then plus the value of b as 50 minus 20 root 6. So plus 50 minus 20 root 6 is equal to 100, right? So 50 plus 50 is 100, plus 20 root 6 minus 20 root 6 will cancel out. You are left with is equal to 100. As you can see, 100 is equal to 100, which means that the value of A and B is correct. Okay, let's also confirm for the second equation, which is A times B is equal to 100. Now, the value of A is 50 plus 20 root 6. Okay, so in brackets, 50 plus 20 root 6. While the value of B is 50 minus 20 root 6 is all equal to 100. 50 times 50 is 2,500. 50 times minus 20 root 6 is minus 1,000 root 6. Also, plus 20 root 6 times 50 is plus 1,000 root 6, while plus 20 root 6 times minus 20 root 6 is equal to minus, in bracket, 20 root 6 all square is then equal to 100. Okay, at this junction, minus 1,000 root 6 will cancel out plus 1,000 root 6, so you are left with 2,500, then minus 20 squared is 400, then square will cancel square roots, you have times 6 is equal to 100. Okay, at this junction, 2,500 minus 400 times 6 is 2,400 is equal to 100. Now 2500 minus 2400 is equal to 100, so it's equal to 100. So the values of A and B are correct for this equation. Now this also applies for the second one also. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and please don't forget to subscribe.